I'd like you to pick, guys. My boss will pick the best in uniform, okay? And you will receive a 500 reals cash. Best in uniform. So you need to pick one team. Best in uniform.
Sorry, it's not one. It's not mall. It is engineering or Nibru 4. Choose one of them. However, I don't like Ittihad, so I'll go for engineering.
Okay, congratulations, guys.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir Genesee. Ano yung wallet?
Dito siya nakatingin, hindi sa atin. Kami nakatingin. Binabigyan na daw.
Representative from the engineering department.
Ito kayo, utag mo kung nalasimula ko man.
Hindi ba pwedeng mahiram mo na yan? Sa katapusan na lang.